Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hey, today we're going to build a washer game. Okay, I've got two pieces of plywood here. There's several different ways to make this game. It's crazy how many different ways there are on the internet. But anyway, my friend sent me a picture, and this is close to that. So 12 inches wide, 48 inches long, and we're going to put 3 holes, 6.5 inches to the first diameter, and then the next 2 are 8 inches from the center of the hole. There you go. Make sure you save these cutouts when you use a hole saw, because they're going to come in handy when you put the carpet on. So I'll show you what I mean when we get there. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to cut the sides for the board. These boards are 48 inches long. I'm going to cut the long sides 48 inches long. I'm going to use I don't have a chop saw here in the shop, so I'm going to use my jigsaw. You know, when you got a fancy table saw and you have a chop saw and everything, it's great to do that stuff, and if I was set up for it, I probably would use it. I have a small shop here, so 12 by 20, I have very few things in here, and I like it that way. I like to not get it cluttered. I have the essentials, but what I do with this jigsaw, and if you invest in a decent jigsaw, I mean a really good one, and you take care of it, that will take care of you. And I mean, I just cross-cutted through that 2x4 treated like it was nothing, like it was butter. So good blades, good jigsaw, and you know, you can do this anywhere. You can go out in your front yard if you wanted to. So that's the nice part about making these kind of games, you know. Okay, as you can see, I got the rails cut, all 4 of them. And I have the tops cut. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to assemble the tops to the rails, and then I'm going to get that dimension in between because I don't want any gaps. This treated lumber has shrunk a little bit. I could probably just do the math, but I don't like doing that. Now the nice part about having these boards be so narrow, this version, I only need one support in the middle, and I need it back here where you stand, because you stand on these boards, so I only need it right here. And I'm going to put a small cross piece here just to support it, and it should be good. I'll put the 2 end pieces on, and then it'll be time to put the carpet on. Okay, I'm going to fasten the cross pieces and we're almost done. And I'm going to show you why you save those little round hockey pucks from these holes. Tip of the day. That's one. Told you I'd reuse these. What I did was I used some CA glue on the back side. I cut it, used some CA glue, and hopefully these will stay. I'll be able to trim them off, and those hockey pucks help hold it in. Pretty cool. I like that idea. Well, there you go, everyone. A 3-hole washer game that I'm sure my friend will enjoy for many years to come. If you enjoyed this video, click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to ring the bell so that you can get notified whenever I post another video. So I really appreciate your support, and I hope you come back soon.